Good morning, everyone. Welcome to week 3 of our online learning. So far, you guys have been doing awesome. I miss you guys a lot, but we are doing this all together so we can get through this. Please remember that you need to do the assignments for math, reading, writing, and science, and then PE, art, and discovery are optional, although really fun. So I highly recommend them as well. All right, so this week you are going to be working in math. You're going to be working on pages 519 through 532, lesson 25 throughout this week, and that one is pretty similar to what we've been doing before. Just as a reminder, here are some of the things that we've been doing for fractions. So please remember, when you're multiplying fractions, you just multiply straight across the numerator and the denominator. That's straight across, pretty simple. Please also remember how to change a mixed number to a improper fraction. Please remember, if you have a whole number and a fraction, you multiply the denominator by the whole number and then add the numerator. And that gives you your improper fraction. As for changing it back, this line right here means division. So this would be 8 divided by 5. It would give you 1 whole, 3 left over out of 5. Okay, that's just a reminder for what we've been doing. Another thing, how to multiply by a whole number from a fraction. You just make the whole number a fraction. Just put it over 1 because it takes 1 whole piece to make a whole for those. Okay, all right. So for this week, what you need to remember is you cannot add or subtract fractions unless they have the same denominator. So you have to find the same denominator. This week we are working with tens and hundreds. The way to change a 10 into a 100 is multiply it by 10. So if you have a problem like this that says 1/10 or 7/10, you're trying to make it plus 20 hundredths, you're trying to make it into both hundredths. Okay? 1/10 is the same as 10 100ths. We multiply the top and the bottom. Whatever you do to the top, you have to do to the bottom to give you the new fraction. So 7/10 plus 20 hundredths, you multiply these both by 10, you get 70 hundredths plus 20 hundredths. Now you can add it. The denominator stays the same, and you just add the numerator. 70 plus 20, 90. So please, the best way to do this is to make the 10 into a hundredths. You do not have to make the hundredths into a 10. Please do it this way. Multiply by 10. If you do need to change the 100 to a 10, then you do the opposite. You divide by 10. Okay? You guys are doing awesome on these. I love seeing it. Please don't forget, you have to do 1 hour of iReady Math. You have to be working that whole time. I'm getting quite a few of you who I'm going to email today who did 10 minutes. So you may have been on the computer for an hour, but you were not working the whole time. So I'm going to email you guys today, remind you need to do a full hour working on iReady Math. You also need to do a full hour this week of working on iReady Reading. I will also be emailing you today if you did not get your minutes for that. Okay. You guys are doing great on your writing. A lot of you guys are sending it to me, so I'm able to look at it, give you some advice on what to do next. This week, the opinion writing prompt I think you guys will like. Should a child have a TV in their bedroom? Why or why not? Why or why not should you have a TV in your bedroom? Okay, please make sure you do the rough draft, have it edited, and then rewrite the final draft. Okay, also make sure you're reading half an hour a day. And then for your science, there's a Bill Nye video that is attached in this email that you need to watch and tell me one thing that you learned from the video. Again, please remember that you can keep track of this all on like a piece of paper or on the tracker we gave you guys a couple weeks ago. You can send it to me on Friday, or you can just hold on to all of your information on what you did and bring it to me when we get back to school. Okay, and last week we had about 12 kids show up for our Google Hangout, and I hope we have that again this week, if not more. The theme this week is to wear your favorite color. Okay, wear your favorite color. We are also going to be playing, hopefully if we can get it to work, some Kahoot games over our computers. So hopefully we can get that working. Please do not forget, I miss you. I miss you so much. And Wednesday at 2 p.m. we'll be doing our Google Hangout. Wear your favorite color and be ready to play some Kahoot. All right. So I miss you guys. I hope you are having as much fun as you possibly can right now, and know that we're all doing this and we're all staying safe. I hope. Hopefully we're all staying healthy, and love you guys. And I will hopefully talk to you guys tomorrow at the Google Hangout. Deuces.